Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Mohan Naik. Today I need to discuss the problem of inverse trigonometric function. Given cos inverse 12 by, the question is prove that cos inverse 12 by 13 plus 2 cos inverse root over 64 by 65 plus cos inverse root over 49 by 50 is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 2. You take LHS. LHS is equal to cos inverse 12 by 13 plus 2 cos inverse root over 64 by 65 plus cos inverse root over 49 by 50 is equal to cos inverse 12 by 13 plus, you see, 2 cos inverse root over 64 by 65 given. This is the formula 2 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. So here x is equal to root over 64 by 65. That means you can write cos inverse 2x square, that is 2 into root over 64 by 65 square. Square means only 64 by 65, not root. Okay, minus 1 plus cos inverse root over 49 by 50, okay, is equal to cos inverse 12 by 13 plus, you see, this is how much, cos inverse 2 into 64 by 65, that is 128 by 65 minus 1, that is 128 minus 65 by 65 is equal to how much, 8 minus 5, that is 3, 12 minus 6, that is 6, 63 by 65. So I can write here 63 by 65. Okay, plus cos inverse root over 49 divided by 50. Okay, now I can use the formula cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. How much? Xy cos inverse, I can write here, is equal to cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. This is the formula. This formula I can use here. At first you take these two is equal to how much? Cos inverse, this is x, this is y. 12 by 13 is x, 63 by 65 is y. Cos inverse xy, that is 12 by 13 into 63 by 65, okay, minus root over 1 minus x square, that is root over 1 minus x square is equal to how much? 12 by 13 whole square. Again root over 1 minus y square, that is 1 minus 63 by 65 root over 1 minus 63 by 65 whole square, okay, plus cos inverse root over 49 by 50, okay, is equal to cos inverse, this is how much, 12 into 63 by 13, only you keep like this, 12 into 63 divide 13 into 65 minus, this is equal to how much, this is 1 minus 12 by 13 whole square, that is 1 minus 144 by 169, 169 minus 144 by 169, this is 25 by 169 is equal to 5 by 13, okay, is equal to 5 by 13. So 5 by 13, that is this much is equal to 5 by 13 into 1 minus 63 into 63 into 63 by 65 square. 65 square is equal to how much? 65 square is equal to 25 42. You see, suppose you need to find out the square root, just to multiply these two you can get 25. Okay, here 6 is given, just you add 1. How much? This is 7. 6 into 7, 42. Directly you can get 4220. This is the trick. Okay, so this is equal to 4225. So 63 into 63, how much? We have to multiply it. 63 into 63, 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18, 6 3 is 18, 8 1, 6 6 is 36, plus 1 37, 9 8 8 16, 6 1, 7 plus 1 8 1, 9 3 9 6 9. So this is how much? 1 minus 3 9 6 9 by 4225 is equal to 4225 minus 3969 divide 4225 root over. This is equal to how much? You see, subtract 15 minus 9 is equal to how much? This is 5. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Here is 1. 12, here is 1. 11 minus 6, that is 5. Here how much? 1. 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9, that is 2. Here 3. Only this much. 256 by 4225 root over. 256 is equal to 256. That is how much? 16. Okay. 16, 20, 225, that is 15. 250 16. 16 by, this is 65. So we have to write 16 by 65. Okay, this is the calculation part. If you need, you may write. Okay, plus cos inverse root over 49 by 50. This is how much? This is equal to cos inverse. You see, 13 into 65, 13 into 65. So this is 13 into 65. This is 12 into 63. 12 into 63 minus 5 into 16. Okay, 12 into 63, we have to multiply it. 63 into 12, how much? 12 3 is 36. 12 6 is 72. That is 75. Okay, 75. That is 75. 5 into 16. That is how much? 80. 7756. Okay, in next step I can write it is equal to plus cos inverse root over 49 by 50. Okay, this is how much? This is cos inverse. This is 12 to the 6, 3, 12 6 the 72 plus 3, 756. You 756 minus 80 by 13 into 65. Okay, how much? This much. 756 minus 80, 6 minus 0 6, 15 minus 8 3, no 7, sorry, 15 minus 3 7. So 676. So this is equal to, plus you write cos inverse root over 49, cos inverse root over 49 by 50. Okay, Next you see is equal to cos inverse. You see this is 676 divide 13 into 65, okay, plus cos inverse root over 14. You can write 7 by 5 root 2, okay. So you see 13 1 ja 13 5 ja, okay, this is to 26, 13 2 ja is equal to cos inverse 52 by 65 plus cos inverse 7 by 5, 7 inverse cos inverse 7 by 5 root 2 is equal to, you see 13 5 ja 13 4 ja, this is equal to cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 7 by 5 root 2. You can apply cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse xy, that is 4 into 5, 4 by 5 into 7 by 5 root 2 minus 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square, again 1 minus 7 by 5 root 2 7 by 5 root 2 whole square, that is 7 by 5 root 2 whole square, that is how much, this is whole square is equal to cos inverse is equal to cos inverse 28 by 25 root 2 minus, you see 25 minus 4 minus 16 9, that is 3 by 5 into, this is 50 minus 49 1 by 5 root 2, okay. Is equal to cos inverse 25 root 2, this is 28 minus 3 is equal to cos inverse 25 by 25 root 2, 25 will cancel out is equal to cos inverse 1 by root 2, which is equal to RHS, proved. Note the video. Next you see, prove that tan square cos inverse 1 by root 3 plus cot square sin inverse 1 by root 5 is equal to 6. So LHS, in LHS, tan square cos inverse 1 by root 3 plus cot square sin inverse 1 by root 5. Here you see cos inverse 1 by root 3 given. I have to convert into tan inverse is equal to tan square. You see cos inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 minus x square by x, okay. So this is equal to tan inverse 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square, that is here x is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square root over by 1 by root 3 plus cot square sin inverse x is equal to, sin we have to convert into cot because cot square is given, so cot inverse root over 1 minus x square by x. So this is equal to cot inverse root over 1 minus 1 by root 5 whole square by 1 by root 5. Okay, is equal to 10 square. This is equal to, you simplify it, you can get 1 minus 1 by 3 by 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3 by 1 by root 3. Root 3 cancel out. So this is 10 inverse root 2 plus, this is how much? This is 5 minus 1, 4 by 5 root, that is 2 by root 5, 2 by root 5 by 1 by root 5. Okay, 2 by root 5 by 1 by root 5, root 5 will cancel. So this is cot inverse 2 cot square cot inverse 2 cot inverse 2 is equal to how much? You see, 10 square 10 inverse root 2 plus cot square cot inverse root 2 is equal to 10 inverse root 2 whole square plus cot inverse 2 whole square. 10 inverse is equal to 1. So this is root 2 square. Root 2 square is equal to how much? Root 2, this is root 2 square plus this is 2 square. Root 2 square is equal to 2. 2 square is equal to 4 is equal to 6 is equal to RHS. Okay, please pause the video and note it down. Next you see the next problem. Prove that cos tan inverse cot sin inverse x is equal to x. So you see LHS is equal to cos tan inverse cot sin inverse x is equal to cos tan inverse cot sin inverse x convert into cot inverse. Sin inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 minus x square by x. So this is equal to root over cot inverse 1 minus x square root over by x. These two will cancel out. This is cos tan inverse cot inverse will cancel out, 1 minus x square by x. Okay, is equal to cos tan inverse root over 1 minus x square by x. This is equal to cos inverse x. Cos inverse will cancel out. This is equal to x is equal to RHS. It's proved. If you know how tan inverse, suppose this is your additional thing. If you try to know how tan inverse root over 1 minus x square by x is equal to cos inverse x, I can apply here. You see, this is additional thing. You consider, let tan inverse 1 minus x square by x root over 1 minus x square by x is equal to theta. Okay, 1 minus x square by x root over 1 minus x square by x is equal to tan theta. Okay, root over 1 minus x square by x is equal to tan theta is equal to how much? Tan theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1 root over. Okay, squaring both sides, that is 1 minus x square by x square is equal to sec square theta minus 1. This is squaring both sides. squaring both side, we can get this. Okay, is equal to, you see, 1 minus x square by x square minus 1, if you take to this side, plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. This is how much? 1 minus x square plus x square by x square is equal to sec square theta. Okay, minus x square plus x square will cancel out. 1 by x square is equal to sec square theta. 1 by x square is equal to sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Cross multiply, we can get how much? Cos square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta is equal to x square. Okay, then cos theta is equal to x. Theta is equal to how much? Cos inverse x. You see here, theta is equal to how much? Cos inverse x. So tan inverse root over 1 minus x square by x is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, you pause the video, note it down.